TEVA, 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 TEVA. Oh, what was that? Snapchat, $14.83. Yes, that's like getting 2 TEVAs. Whew. So about last week, I made a video about signing people up with WeBull, and they were doing a contest that whoever would sign the most people up in the top 10 would go to Hawaii. At the time, I was in 11th place with like 3 invites, and I decided to make a video. And after that video, I thought to myself, you know, I would be so lucky if I get 5 people, 10 maximum, to sign up. After releasing that video, within 1 day, I got 80 people to fund their account with $100, propelling me all the way up to first place, which was just unbelievable. I sincerely did not think I would get more than 10 people at the most. But those numbers were about a week ago. Let's take a look at what the numbers look like right now. So let's open up WeBull, my invites. Okay, so we have 1,022 people who we've invited, of which 539, their accounts got approved, and the other 283 actually funded their accounts. So in today's video, let's see if WeBull can live up to their promise of free stocks. And in the interest of full disclosure and transparency, let's open up some free stocks and see what we get. Hey guys, Andre here. Welcome back. Excited to see everyone again, even though I'm not really seeing anyone because I'm alone in my studio in front of my camera, just talking by myself, which is a little awkward. But before you guys criticize me and say,
hey, Andre became a sellout, that's how he makes his money now, by opening up stocks and signing people up.
I actually want to remind you that WeBull did reach out to me and try to sponsor my videos, to which I declined. I'm still not sponsored by anyone, but I do have my own Patreon now where you guys can check it out. I don't know why anyway, I do get my fair share of these though.
Posh, rich, lazy, sod.
I'm not sure what that means.
Iv got ad blocker on, so you didn't get a penny from me.
Well, Tony, I'm happy that you saved some money by having ad blocker on. If you watch more of my videos, you'll know how to invest that money, and then you'll have enough to eventually be able to buy yourself this. Grammar 101, must have when trying to insult. I don't know. Anyway, I think it's great. It's like when you play a video game and you're encountering enemies finally, and after this long 5 months I've been on YouTube, I'm finally encountering some criticism and some pushback, which means I'm going the right way, just like in video games. Anyway, I try to keep things positive and respond to every comment that you guys leave on my channel. Try to keep things upbeat and educational. With that said, let's open up some free stocks, guys. Don't know what I'm gonna get. It's gonna be awesome. And cue scene change. So let's launch WeBull and begin. So we're gonna open up the app, go to my free stock, and I'd like to mention that the number at the top where you see that little red 27, I don't think that's the real amount of free stocks that I'm gonna get, but I think the number is just supposed to be like 3 digits and it can't fit inside that little circle. So should I do this in like Mr. Beast style when he was like PewDiePie for like 12 hours straight? Just get. I'm not gonna make this into a half an hour long video just commenting on every stock. So at some point I'm just gonna let's see what we get. All right, TEVA. That's the most common stock that I've gotten so far. So, okay, $7.68. I remember when I first got it, it was like at $8. Get another one, get another one. Another one bites the dust. Yeah, so I keep getting TEVA. All right, let's keep going. See what else we get. TEVA. And more TEVA. I wonder if they bought a bunch of stocks from TEVA. How does that work? Do they just put in a ton of money and then they just disperse and I don't know. More TEVA. More TEVA. All right, let's check how many stocks I have left. Yeah, I don't know how to check. And TEVA. Wait, let me guess. Next one is gonna be TEVA. Yep, all right. Well, the little red number is moving lower, that's for sure. Wait, it's still stuck at 25 though. Wait, oh, look at that. So now we're up to 30 free stocks. Let's keep going. All right, TEVA. I think by the end of this video, I'm just gonna own like the entire company of TEVA. All right, TEVA. So by the way, I'm gonna leave the stats of like what the odds are for each share because I could get a stock that's worth up to $1,000. It's just the odds of getting that one is 1 in 10,000, which there's no way I'm gonna get that. So yeah, TEVA. Guys, I'm gonna be the new CEO pretty soon. The chairman of the board. Yep, TEVA. More TEVA. TEVA, TEVA, TEVA. I don't even look. TEVA. Yep. TEVA. 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 How many up are we? 55 stocks at this point. My arm's getting tired of just holding this phone. Oh, let me get comfy. All right, cool. Let's do this like this. TEVA. 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 Oh, F. Is that Ford? I think that's Ford. Yeah, it should be Ford. TEVA. 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 66. It's TEVA. Oh, Ford. We got 2 Fords. TEVA. 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 Oh, my middle finger cramped. What just happened? Oh, that was the weirdest feeling ever. Wow, I gotta switch hands. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Oh, got another Ford. This is like opening up Pokemon packs. My mom's birthday, I got her a bunch of Pokemon cards and we opened it together because when I was a kid, she used to buy me Pokemon packs and I thought I'd buy it for her so we can relive my childhood, and it was like this frugal purchase even though it was cheap. Anyway, I still took my mom out to dinner and everything. We still, still did that. This is like opening up Pokemon packs, except I get paid and I'm opening up free stocks. Pretty cool. TEVA. TEVA. TEVA? Is it TEVA or TEVA? All right, we're up to 85. TEVA. 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 Ford. But actually, I did get a reader just the other day who emailed me for signing up to my link. I'm gonna find it for you. Gmail, let's see. Free stock. All right, so there it is. So he says, Andre, thank you for the link to WeBull. I found WeBull through one of your YouTube videos and your lovely girl to get a free trip to Hawaii. I received a free share of NVIDIA at $168. Okay, so I'm gonna stop plugging myself for just a second and tell you guys, if you have a job with coworkers or a large family, the crazy part about WeBull right now is because they're the new kid on the block, I think they have quite a bit of money to advertise with. Let's go back and look at the Hawaii trip. Let's check the top 10 leaderboard. Okay, I'm at number 1 with 283 successfully funded accounts. The one below that is 45. But if you look at the top 10 people, you only need 7 invites. You guys know 7 people at least, like your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. That makes 4 already, and a few of your coworkers. And having them sign up with your link, you might get to go to Hawaii with me and whoever else these people are, which is pretty cool. I mean, I would recommend you guys to just reach out to your friends and see if they can help you out and be like, hey, Joe, can you sign up to this brokerage? If you don't want to use it, just delete it later, but deposit $100, leave it there for a month, and then delete it later if you don't want to use it. And guys, I mean, it's not that hard to be in the top 10 right now. You could use my link to sign up for you, but then when you sign other people up, obviously use your link. Don't use my link. That would be giving me free stocks. Don't do that. Unless you want to, of course. I'm not going to complain. So far, we are at 91 free stocks, and hold on, let me guess. TEVA. Ha! I win. TEVA. 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 I hope I got NVIDIA. That would be so cool. Or whatever the $1,000 stock is. I don't know which one it would be. TEVA. We are officially at 100 free stocks. All right. TEVA. 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 Oh, my back. TEVA. 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 Oh, what was that? Snapchat, $14.83. Yes, that's like getting 2 TEVAs. Whew, great. Let's keep going. TEVA, 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 TEVA. Are you guys getting as many TEVAs as I am? Whew, another Ford, 2 Fords back to back. Oh, huh, Snapchat. Ooh. Yo, digging it. TEVA, TEVA, TEVA. TEVA, TEVA, Ford, TEVA, TEVA, I don't know which one. Ford again. TEVA, 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 TEVA. Oh, look, I can like rapid fire this. Sorry, you've already received your stock. What? It's trying to jip me out of my stocks. 54. Oh, Ford, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158. 159. Ford. TEVA. 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 Ford. TEVA. 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 Ford. TEVA. 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 177. Oh, Snapchat. Yay. 180. 181. 182. 183. 184, 185, 188, 189, 190, 191. I never knew that getting money would be so exhausting. That was creepy, sorry. 193, 194, 195, 96, 97, 98, 99. These are all TEVAs. Oh, with the 200th being Ford. Let me stretch. This is gonna, I can guarantee you this is gonna be loud. Oh, you hear that? Oh, getting old. All right, let's continue. TEVA, TEVA, TEVA. Hey, I'm happy, I'm not complaining. I'm telling you guys, if you have a lot of friends and you have people you know, and you know a lot of people and you're connected, I guarantee you're gonna be in the top 10. It's not that hard right now. And you know, I've been using WeBull for a little bit now, and what I'm getting out of it is it's got like really amazing tools for analyzing stocks, but I think for me, I will be using this brokerage more so for like buying growth stocks. Now I know I'm primarily a dividend investor, but you know, I like to play around occasionally with, you know, something like a Tesla or something. You know, they don't pay dividends. So WeBull is really good for that, but I want to get into M1 Finance as well because they do drip, even though I don't really drip, which is dividend reinvestment plan, which I covered in another video. But yeah, WeBull is really good if you are especially a day trader or just a trader in general. It's really, really good. TEVA, so far, a little bit of Ford, a little bit of TEVA, not a little bit of TEVA, quite a lot of TEVA. Snapchat. $14, Ford. But as I'm recording this, I have absolutely no idea how many stocks I'm gonna get or what they're going to be and how much the total is going to be. And legitimately, when I made that video in the beginning, I didn't know that I was gonna sign up so many people. I thought to myself, I'd be so lucky if I signed up 10 people. And Huffington Post says, this photographer asks elderly couples to pose. Got stocks to open, I don't care. All right. We are at 269, 270. Guys, you're looking at the newly minted chairman of the board of TEVA here. Okay, snap. Snap. Oh, I got 2 snaps in a row. What are the odds of that? 1 in 300 apparently. All right, this is the moment of truth. 285. No more. 285 is it. Okay, so 539 accounts were approved. 283 were deposited. So that 539 accounts approved does not count apparently for the free stocks, and it only counts when you fund the account. So that's how it works. So just in case if you guys sign people up, just remember, it only works if they put in that $100. Well, if you guys know like 7 people to sign up, then I promise you, you're gonna get in the top 10. Whew, I am sweating. Not bad from thinking that I would just make 10 stocks. So thank you guys for watching, and if this was informative, great. If not, well, hopefully the next video will be. Love you guys. See you very soon. Peace out.